Waffles at any time. Waffle for one? Coming right up. With Holstein's Personal Waffle Maker you can make individual waffles that are perfect for portion control, and you won't have to worry about having made a waffle that is too big. Quick and easy. Cooking surface with non-stick coating for easy food release and cleanup. Space-saving vertical storage function and handle with safety lock. Preheated, ready-to-cook setting for a reliable cooking temperature every time. Great addition to your kitchen. Space-saving compact design takes up less of a footprint on your countertop. The sleek colorful finish adds a lovely pop of color to your kitchen decor. WHOER. Holstein Housewares strives to make cooking and entertaining easy by simplifying life in the kitchen. We develop a special blend of products so you can create endless recipes for all types of lifestyles, from healthy meals to guilty pleasures. Warranty. Holstein Housewares offers a 1-year limited warranty to purchase worry-free. A user manual is included in the packaging, and available digitally, with easy instructions on how to use the product. Everything is sweeter in the shape of a heart. Whether you are looking for a school snack or surprising someone with breakfast in bed, Holstein Housewares' 4-count heart-shaped waffle maker will wow your loved one every time. It bakes 4 heart-shaped waffles in minutes that you may top with classic ingredients like syrup and berries or adventure out with a savory batter with bacon bites, green onions, and shredded cheese. It features an easy-to-clean PFOA-free non-stick coating surface and a mess-free anti-overflow channel. Top reviews from the United States. Waffles for your Valentine. I bought this for a Valentine's Day gift. It was a hit. I wish I bought this years ago when the kids were younger. It makes 4 heart waffles at once. You do need to leave them in longer to get crispy ones if that's your favorite. It does seem to cook unevenly a little, but nothing to keep me from loving my purchase. The waffles are completely non-stick. It is easy to clean too.